Either you're going to believe what your Bible says or not. I wish I'd have just said, well, okay, I looked at it, the Bible said it, and I believed it, but that wasn't enough for me. I was so indoctrinated from the first grade on that when I looked at the scriptures, I was able to just dismiss them as, well, they didn't really mean what they say. I think we get tired of having to admit that we were wrong about so many things, that pride stands in the way of that. Whether you're heliocentric or whether you believe the earth is fixed or flat, either way you have to believe. You can't continue to call yourself, I'm a Bible believer, if you start dismissing this portion, that portion, and another portion. It's not his fault that we have allowed other voices to keep us from seeing what he has said. When my next to youngest grandchild started kindergarten, the first thing they did was put a globe in his hand. The lies that we have been told prevent us from seeing the simplicity of what Yahweh has said. We have a hard time comprehending the lengths that people will go to lie to us and to deceive us. Why would the scientists lie? Why would NASA lie? We don't have to know why. All you got to do is know that if they're saying something that contradicts the word, they're lying.
They tell us the transgender thing is a fact of science. They tell us evolution, Big Bang, and all that, a fact of science. We disagree. We stay with the Bible. Why aren't we going to do the same on this?
My journey into biblical cosmology started in January of 2019 when I was reading Genesis 1, verses 6 and 7.